Hey everybody, it's Christmas morning and I just modified my PS4 Aim controller with a real stock. Alright, so quite simple setup here and it works pretty good. As you can see, nice and comfortable. Came out real good. I like it. So what we got was we ordered a blade buttstock, and quite simple, just black tape. It's pretty strong, ain't going nowhere, you know. Pretty looks pretty straight for the most part, right? So that's a good thing. And we got our aim controller through this nice bundle pack we had for 60 bucks at GameStop. So you guys want to modify your aim controller? It's not that hard, pretty simple. Nice, clean, simple setup. I've seen a lot of weird stuff online I wasn't too sure about, so I decided to go with my own. I recommend it. You guys, I think you're gonna like it. So, have a good one.